Welcome back to our introduction to PowerPoint. We've been able to see several things on our own ribbon, and then we'll be looking at, right now we'll be looking at text direction, text align text, convert to SmartArt. So we've been able to see down to number 19, and then let's see the text direction. Text direction, you'll be able to change how your text is. It's presently at horizontal, so if I come down to text align to text direction rather, I can make it rotate by 90 degrees. I remember that our text layout has to be able to accommodate the size of the text. This is where it's going to, and then this is home. Or I can also change the direction to 270 degrees. And still, I can also change the direction to make it stack. If I make it stack, this is how it is. So these are the different text directions. I would want you to play around with them and then make a choice of yours how you want your text direction to be. Let's quickly look at align text. On this slide, we're going to align the text. Remember our layout. On our text layout, the insert is at the middle, at the center of the middle. This is your top, this is your bottom, and this is your middle. So if I come to, now you see it's at the middle, that's why you see it there. And if I click on the top, it changes location to the top of the layout. And I can also make it bottom. So this works pretty well when you're trying to adjust your slide. If your layout, if your slide, the text in your layout is quite big, and then there's so much, and then you want to change, you want them to be accommodated in the slide, then it's advisable you adjust your align text. Okay, next we're going to see is convert to SmartArt. This is one beautiful aspect of our PowerPoint. Now my SmartArt, yeah, so these are SmartArt. Okay, I'm going to use this one. It all depends on what you're doing, how you want it to look like. If I use this, what do you want your audience to see by using a SmartArt? So it's best you pick something that's going to tell about that slide, that's going to explain that slide better. So I'm going to let you to pick SmartArt for any of your for each of the slides, and then at the end of the day I'd like to see what you did. All right. Okay, still on still on right, still on our home ribbon. We'll just play with find, replace, and select. If you want to find a particular thing, a particular text, let me say I want to find, what should I look for? I want to look for resets. I click on find. If you have several slides and you want to look for a particular text in a slide, by typing the text and then you click on find next, to automatically take you to the slide that contains that very text. You can decide to check in if it must be the same case, if it must match the same case. Now you see that my text here is having the first letter is in uppercase while I typed everything in lowercase. So if I use match case and then I do find next, what do I have? That was the last match we found. It couldn't see any thing matching this, any text matching this. And so most times you might want to change some text to a particular text. Let me say I want to change design to graphic, and so I go to design. I ask it to find design, and then I want it to be replaced with graphics. I want it to find and replace everywhere we have design should be replaced with graphics. So I click on replace all. PowerPoint searched the presentation and made one replacement, and that one replacement was done in the design slide, which is now graphics. All right, so this is how you use your find and replace. I'm going to undo it so that I go back to my design. That will be all for this class. Like it, share it, and also subscribe to keep seeing more of our videos. Thanks for watching.